Assalamu alaikum. Have you ever thought how a simple change in intention can turn victory into defeat? Today's story is about a man whose sincerity once made him triumph over Satan, but when his intention changed, he was defeated by the very same Satan. Zaid was a man who lived only for the sake of Allah. Every breath he took, he wished to devote to the worship of Allah.
Brother Zaid, there's a tree outside the village. People prostrate under it, they're committing shirk.
What did you say, shirk? And while I'm still alive?
Yes, Brother Zaid, we thought if anyone could bring it down, it's you.
Shirk. Astaghfirullah. I'll leave first thing in the morning, inshallah. Oh Allah, my intention is only for your pleasure. As long as I'm alive, I can't bear to see your religion dishonored. Allahu Akbar.
What's he planning? Walking so far with an axe?
He's going to cut down that tree people worship. He wants to end the shirk.
What? We worked so hard planting doubts in their hearts, made them fall into shirk. I won't let him do this. Oh Zaid, where are you going?
To cut the tree.
Oh Zaid. So you, one single man, are here to destroy shirk?
I am a servant of Allah. Because He alone is the sustainer of all world. I'm amazed at those who leave their true master and worship things that can neither benefit nor harm them.
No Zaid. I won't let you go.
Get out of my way.
Oh Zaid, you're a decent man. Mind your own business. Go back and keep worshipping. Why do you care if people commit shirk?
What? You expect me to stay silent while people tear apart the religion? I am a servant of Allah. Because He alone is the sustainer of all worlds.
No Zaid. I won't let you go.
Get out of my way.
If Allah wanted, people wouldn't commit shirk in the first place.
Oh Satan! You are the one who misguides from the straight path. Truly, not even a leaf moves without Allah's will. But you forgot, this world is a place of test. Humans and jinn were sent here to be tested. The Most Merciful blessed them. He sent down the radiant book, the Quran, in which there is no doubt. It clearly shows the path to paradise and hell. And from time to time, He sent prophets to guide them to the straight path.
Yes, you're right. And in that same Quran, the Most Merciful declared that Satan is your open enemy. Yet these people leave their Most Merciful Lord and fall for my lies. While all my promises are false, every promise of the Most Merciful Allah is true.
Move out of my way.
No Zaid. I won't let you go.
Move out of
No
my way.
Zaid. I won't let you go. No Zaid. I won't let you go.
Move out of my way.
Stop. I beg for mercy. I beg for mercy. I beg for mercy. I beg for mercy. Spare me. I'll give you something. Gold coins.
Oh Satan! Move out of my way. I only seek Allah's pleasure. I don't need your coins. Move out of my way.
Stop. 3 gold coins. Every day. Just leave that tree alone.
No. I seek only the pleasure of Allah, nothing else.
Zaid, think, if you get gold coins daily, You can do so many good deeds. Perform Hajj and Umrah. Feed the hungry.
That makes sense, alright. I'll leave the tree. But don't forget your promise. Coins are here tomorrow morning. Maybe it's a source of good. He lied. No coins, no goodness. This time, I'll return only after cutting that tree down.
Where are you going, Zaid?
To cut the tree.
Oh really? Didn't you say you wouldn't cut it?
And you said you'd give me gold coins every day.
Oh Zaid, you're a decent man. Zaid, did you forget? I'm Satan. Every promise I make is a lie. Underscore. That's how I mislead people from the straight path.
Let me teach you a lesson right now.
This time, you won't win. Zaid.
Let's see whose intention is stronger.
You've lost, Zaid.
No. How could this happen?
Is that day you came only for Allah? This time you came for money. When sincerity left, your strength left too.
When your intention is purely for Allah, then help comes only from Him. If this story touched your heart, then please give it a like, share your feelings with us in the comments, and help spread this message by sharing the video with others. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, because we'll keep bringing you such soul-stirring stories, inshallah.